For more on the situation in Egypt, I want to bring in the chairman of Egypt's largest private bank. He is Hisham Ezz-Al-Arab. He's the chairman of the Commercial International Bank of Egypt, on the phone with us from right outside Cairo. Hisham, thank you very much for being with us. First off, tell me, what is happening at your bank branches right now?
Well, the bank branches, we have about 156 branches, and it's only 4 of them who have some small damage. Small damage, I mean by people just looted computers or what you call it, desks or phones. But you understand, those branches are branches to serve customers. Some damage to ATMs, but the ATMs are quite safe to take the desks out. The damage is minimal, can be repaired in less than 48 hours, and they can reopen. But 4 branches out of 156 branches is a minimal damage compared to what the media is showing on the TV.
Right. I mean, I know the media has been showing, banks being burned out and, ATM receipts all over the streets. So your ATMs are working? Is that what I'm hearing?
Yeah, what we have done today is during the non-curfew hours, we have opened our ATMs with a daily limit of about £2,000 for customers in specific areas to be allowed for the non-curfew hours to keep their life going. We are not in full operation, but we are working with the contingency plan right now.
But are you experiencing, because your banks are closed, but are you experiencing in any way an influx, a huge influx of withdrawals to your bank?
No, not really. I mean, today we had our international operation was working very smooth because of the international payments. We kept for many years a very tight treasury policy guide meeting assets liability. We have a very decent large cash positions in our Nostro account.
So you can meet the calls then from those?
Yeah. I mean, for several months we are fine. You know, banks in Egypt are quite liquid. They have loans deposits less than 60%. I talk about almost half of their balance sheet is liquid.
So what is your liquidity position?
We currently have about closer to 60%, just short of 60% loan deposits. So the rest is a liquid instruments or very short-term deposits that you basically can satisfy any demand for half of the balance sheet.
Okay, but our international clients asking to take their money out, though?
No, I don't have international clients. I have all local clients. I haven't experienced any panicking call from local customers. All what they wanted is the petty cash to run their day-to-day life, you see, under normal circumstances, until things get back to normal over the coming few days.
Hisham, I just want to ask you, just personally, for you, have you been out on the streets? Have you been at home? What's going on?
This is funny. I have been on the street for the last 3 nights with my 2 boys. They are not young boys. They are grown up. One is 23 years old. The other one is 27 years old. And it's a great experience. It's not only them, all our neighborhood, very well organized. We haven't really experienced any violence on the street. We have been there just making sure that people see us. And if there is someone who is willing or wanted to do something in the neighborhood, there is enough people on the street. But really, we haven't experienced anything in our neighborhood. It's very well organized. But it's a great experience seeing all those young generation who are very civilized, who want to protect their country. It's extremely promising.
So, right, okay. A great experience, although, from what we've been seeing, certainly plenty of turmoil as well. But Hisham, I appreciate that you have a different perspective in what you've been seeing there on the streets in your neighborhood. Hisham Ezz Al-Arab, of Egypt's largest private bank.